Hey guys, what is up? It's JJ Tech here, back with another video. We're doing an unboxing of the PowerA Fusion headset, a gaming headset. So as you can see, it works with PS4, Xbox One, PC, Mac, and mobile as well. So it's pretty nice. And these retail for actually 30 bucks on Amazon. So I'll leave the link in the description box so you guys can buy this. Alright, let's look at the features before we open this up. So you can see it has on-ear volume and mute controls, which is pretty nice. 50mm drivers, mic monitoring, detachable boom microphone, and memory foam headband, of course. And it also has noise cancelling, which is a pretty nice feature at this price range. Alright guys, so let me actually open this box up, guys, and I'll see. As you can see, this is what you get in the box. You're introduced with this box right here. It says Fusion on it. And this is basically has your information packs, like your manual, I guess your warranty. So we're going to open this up, just to the side. So you see it's a user manual, basically telling you how to use them, but just to the side. And it also has a sticker, a PowerA sticker, which is pretty nice. And if you want their Snapchat code, it's right here. And then the information guide, which is right here as well. Alright, so there's nothing else in the box. Let's move to the side. And then, of course, your headphones. But before that, there's actually another box inside. You can see it right there. Let's take that out. So, this basically has your accessories, like your boom microphone. As you can see, your microphone. And it is detachable. So what's good about this is that, let's say your microphone doesn't work anymore. Instead of going and buying a brand new headset, you could just buy the mic itself, which is pretty nice. So you can see it bends, pretty nice. Puts it to the side, and it also comes with a 3.5mm jack, and it's actually a braided cable, which is pretty nice. Alright, so the last thing we actually have is the headphones. Let's take this out of the box. Alright. You can see it has some plastic wrap around it. Let's actually take that off. Oops, sorry about that. Alrighty. The left and the right. Take that off. Pretty much take this off. So let me take this off, guys, and I'll be back. Alright guys, I'm back. And I still wasn't able to manage to take this off. So yeah, I took it off. Alright. So you can see this is your left and your right. So I'm surprised. The quality is pretty good on this. As you can see right here, we have this jack to connect your microphone, like so. So basically you just connect this part in here. And that's it. And then you can use it comfortably. You can see this Fusion on the top. It has some nice padding right here. And some nice padding on the ear cups as well. Alright. Pretty nice. So let me tell you. So it also has noise volume functions on the side. So you can see it has like a little turn wheel. So up, down. Which is pretty nice. I'm surprised at the quality. It's pretty nice, guys. For the price, nice. So I actually already tried these. They're pretty comfortable, guys. The quality is great. I recommend. The mic is perfect. I really have no complaints about this. I have gaming headset. So first, if you want to connect it, you gotta take this out like so, and then you gotta connect whichever end, either that side or this side. Connect it to the bottom. Right here, you're gonna connect that. What you're gonna do is you're gonna connect your other side to either your PC, your Mac, your mobile device, or your controller, which with either it is PS4 or Xbox One. So yeah, guys, that's pretty much it for this unboxing video. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Don't forget to smack that like button and subscribe as well. Like I said, I will be leaving the description of these guys, and these are pretty cheap, guys. I do recommend buying these. They are worth it. So yeah guys, thanks for watching this video, and peace.